So this video is more of an educational video. So it will be in my educational section on my website as well as my YouTube. So if you guys like these videos, please subscribe. Subscribe is very important because the more subscribers I have, the better the algorithm, and I can share more and more videos, and my videos will be featured when people are searching for this type of information. Also, give me a like, or even give me a dislike if you don't like the video. But if you like the video and you like the information that I am sharing with you guys for free, go ahead and give me a like, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones and somebody else that may want this information or may need this information right now to start their business. So with that said, and no further ado, let's get into this video. We're going to talk about the differences between a personal PayPal account and a business PayPal account. And I'm not going to log in, I'm not going to sign in, I'm not going to do anything like that. As you know, you can sign in and do something for free on PayPal. You don't have to pay PayPal a membership fee in order to start making money online. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to know. PayPal is free. So we're just going to look into the differences. With a PayPal business account, okay, you can pay in person, send money, and track activity of your payments. You can buy and shop, a fast, secure way to buy in person or online. So a lot of these shops will have a PayPal link on the bottom in the checkout section, and you can link your PayPal, and every time you go to buy from that store, it'll automatically take money out of your PayPal if this is the way you want to shop online. You can also send and request money from family or friends. You can also get a PayPal credit or debit card, all right? And it's going to come in your name and everything like that. And you can use that when you're going out to shop and your ATM machines and stuff like that. You'll have that PayPal debit card. PayPal does have credit card lines that you can apply for. And if you get approved, you may get approved for a certain amount of PayPal credit. So with a business PayPal account, which is what I have, I don't have any personal PayPal accounts. I have two PayPal business accounts and two separate PayPal Visa. On the bottom of the business card, it's going to say business card. So instead of a personal debit card where it'll just have your name on it, this one will have your name and then either the business name or it'll just say business card. Small to medium businesses, you will be able to accept payments, make payments, manage your risk, accelerate growth, and streamline operations. One thing you can also do with your PayPal business account is you start connecting your affiliate links. The affiliate links are actual merchants online that are going to pay you to advertise their products on your network. When you link your PayPal with these places, it's going to go directly into your business account. At the end of the year, when it's time to file taxes, all you have to do is come into your PayPal account, go onto your dashboard and click on whatever your transactions are, whatever, and it'll have a full report from you. And it'll have an option where it'll say download report monthly, annually, biannually, whatever way you want to download your report. You can download that report onto your computer and you can attach it to all of your financial documents. Another thing that you can do if you're doing outdoor sales, let's say at a flea market or something like that, or you have your own store space, you have to have a business account, okay? You can't have a personal account. If you have a business account and you request it, the in-person payments, right, which is like point of sale solutions, virtual terminal, you can order these. You use this for outdoor sales. It may be a small little thing that you attach to your phone or your tablet, and you can swipe the cards that way. Or if you have an actual storefront and you want an actual little terminal, like a small little cash register machine, it will provide that for you. But you must have either a small to medium business account or the enterprise account in order to get this option here. So with that said, I hope you like this video. Give me a like on the bottom Any comments, any questions, ask below and I'll feel free to answer them. And share this video with those that you know may need this type of knowledge. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm coming out with a new video. With that said, much success. Have a blessed day.